Now that you are here, you have heard or even watched videos on the Ebmx X-9000 V2 controller. I won't waste any more of your time. The best retailer I have ever dealt with that stocks electric bikes and their respective parts is Rev Rides, and I have provided a link in the description box to redirect you to this Ebmx controller. To begin with, the default Ebmx X9000 V2 doesn't come with a harness. I recommend you to go for the bundle instead and choose from different options, as you will see at the end of this video. For the limited options, only orange color is available. If you are interested in that one, be sure to pull the trigger sooner, as these editions sell out faster than the regular options. About the compatible models, the Talaria MX-5 is the newest bike to be compatible with the X9000 V2. Ebmx hasn't published whether the controller is compatible with the Airride Pro SR and 3.0 Altis Sigma or any of the most recent models. We hope to see those on the list soon. All the best in the upgrading journey, fellow Emoto rider.